Hi guys, here welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can able to make money using Bingo live streaming app. Step by step, a lot of you don't even know that you can earn up to $100 on Bingo live streaming app. Because now I'm going to be sharing with you step by step how I make my money on Bingo live streaming app. Step by step. Make sure you don't skip any of this video because this is actually one of my paying app. Okay, so now as you can see on my screen, they have video, they have voice chats. Video live streaming are people that can able to go live streaming. Maybe if you have talent or you have something you can showcase, you can actually go there, or you know how to dance, you can actually go there and dance.
On
Okay,
WhatsApp.
people will come and give to you there. Okay, this is actually how this um voice works. But if you see this party is where a group of people gather, making friends, and a lot of things they are doing on this party. Do you know that many people, if you know how to talk, if you know how to do matchmaking, I mean all this matchmaking that you will see on TikTok, people are doing matchmaking. Do you know that a lot of ladies are doing matchmaking here? And once you are doing matchmaking and people started coming to your panel, do you know that you're going to be getting gifts? Users are going to start gifting you. If you know how to do matchmaking, just like TikTok app, you know people are doing matchmaking, making money, users will send their gifts. This place, you can actually do matchmaking by opening your party and be talking to people. Just create a family. Create a family. As you can see, many people created family here. As you can see, that this account now, I log in with another device. I log in with another device. I did not go with my real account. I just want to record this video. Okay. So now, as you can see, this man is actually doing party, gisting with friends and all of that. But you see these people that is here, they are gisting, they are on party gisting, which I'm going to be showing you how you can actually go to their party room to gist with them. Okay, all you need to do now, you see, if you click on this part, you can say I'm on this particular party now, which I'm going to try to circle. Then you will just click on it. You're going to enter here. Because my network is a little bit low, I have to reject it. As you can see, I'm not even seeing those people because of my network. Okay, so now let me just move here and show you. Like now, maybe you want to sit down on the party room. All you need to do is for you to click on that particular seat and sit down. Okay. So note that this app is as a tax app. You are going to go live there and you're going to receive gifts from users, which I'm going to be showing you the main thing I'm making this video. Okay, don't skip any part. You see this place, this is actually the account I just created now for me to do this tutorial. As you can see, creator center, event center, wallets, item back, my post, SVIP. Okay, which I'm going to be showing you showing you how you can able to make use of them step by step. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, diamond, I just click on wallet, diamond and beans. Diamond is the one you can buy if you feel like it's not must. Okay, so this beans is the one you can receive from users. Because I did not even add my this thing, my phone number. This place is going to be empty. Even the beans on is going to be empty because I didn't even blind um my email address and my this thing, my phone number. As you can see, once you click on that beans, it's going to tell you to blind your email and you blind your phone number. If you didn't blind your phone number, you're not going to see withdraw option. But if you blind your phone number and blind your email, you're going to be seeing set your password. You're going to be seeing withdraw option where you're going to be withdrawing your money to your local currency anywhere you are in the world. Okay, so as you can see, tax center, This tax center is just a because I've just logged in on my second phone, and you can see that they will say that it's a new B reward, okay? But this new B reward is like if you watch videos, they're gonna reward you, okay? So if you follow, you will come here and claim your um tax, okay? So here is life path, okay? This one is for premier and all of that. So now let's just leave this place, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead. I wanted to click this beauty gift pack, but my network is actually disturbing me, so I need to come out here and show you how you can able to use um other tools as well. Okay, now let me go and click here. Okay, so let's wait it load. It's gonna wait some seconds. Then we just wait. Okay, so because my network is low, that is the reason why it's doing like this. Okay, if you see this creator center, just click on this creator center. I want that creator center to load. So I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you something. This place is where you're going to be making money as a bingo user. Make sure you don't skip, because I will actually going to take my time to explain everything on this video. I'm going to explain every tools on this video. Just make sure you just pay attention. Okay, as you can see, creator center, which I'm waiting for it to load so that I can go ahead and show you what you need to do here. This creator center is where me actually make my money here on Bingo live streaming app. Bingo is a very nice app. Okay, you can withdraw anytime you want. Okay, I the thing is already open. As you can see, life and agency. You see this life and agency, apply for official host. Like if you want to become official host, once you join this app, you can actually become an official host. That is apply for official host. You see this life center. This is where if you want to join agency here, this is where you're going to click and join any agency you like. But note that before you join any agency, make sure it's agency you know very well before joining. Don't just go and click someone you don't know and join. By the end of the day, if you discharge the person on WhatsApp, the person will not reply you. Okay, so now you can see live, a single life, multiple gist life, depend on how you want your own. If you want single life, that is going like swimming, dancing, or you can actually go by multiple people can join you and gist there. Okay, me, that is how I actually make my money by um opening my party. People will come, we gist, a lot of things. Okay, now this agency own, let me just click on it and show you. This life agency, you're gonna see that you're gonna bring a lot of agencies. You're gonna be very careful. You're gonna be very careful here because you might join someone you don't know. At least, even if you join someone you don't know, if the person can respond to you, it's okay. But there's some people that if you send message, you will tire, they will not respond. You're gonna be very careful. Let's wait. Okay, so let's wait. As I'm waiting, guys, let's just wait for, like, my network is crazy. It's actually crazy. I wanted to not use this phone to record this video. Let's wait. Okay, now it's gonna bring out this interface. It's going to bring out this interface, and I decided to go back again because you will get what I'm saying. you see this official host application. This is where I tell you that you need to be very careful when applying. Okay, make sure you choose someone you know. Choose agency you know. Okay, as you can see, anyone you can apply immediately, you will become automatically agency host here, which I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create your own agency and start inviting people. See, anyone, if you create your own agency, anyone you invite on your as an agency, and if you know that you always they work on app and you always they bring hosts on the platform, you can actually join and becoming an agency here and start bringing people. Once you bring people, you will earn commission as they are doing their live streaming, performing the activities. You'll be getting commission from Bingo Live. As you can see, this is how you can apply to become an agency. Then agency information. Then you will add individually because it's not a company agency you're gonna join. You're going to apply for um individually. Then agency name, you add your agency name correctly, your phone number. They're going to say to you the verification. They're going to then you put in your real name, you put other information, then you put the reason why you want to become an agency. How many hosts do you rescue? Then what is your nationality? Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, Zambia, South Africa. Your country is now among here like Togo. You can actually click all that, then continue. Okay, thank you so much for